Hello everyone, this is Tony's Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this Garmin LiveScope Plus system with a GLS 10. And straight off the bat, I gotta say that these live sonar images on this beauty are game changing, in my opinion. You're getting a crystal clear views beneath the water like you're never seen before. I think it works really great. And the sharpness, it cuts through the noise, giving you precision like no other, in my opinion. And if you got an older live scope system, upgrading is a breeze with a new, with basically it's very similar but much better quality, in my opinion. But what really blew my mind are the vivid color palettes. It takes underwater clarity to a whole new level. Yeah, I think this is a really great product. Garmin did a great job on this one, and I highly recommend this product for everyone. This is a really great choice.